Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Tabby card. First, download the Tabby app from your device's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in if you're an existing user. After logging in, simply navigate to the Money tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, select the Get Your Card option to begin the application process. It's a straightforward start to unlocking flexible payments. To be eligible for a Tabby card, you must be at least 18 years old and a resident of the UAE. You'll also need a valid national ID and a linked debit or credit card for repayments. During the application, you will be prompted to scan your Emirates ID for verification. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your personal details and complete this essential step. This ensures your account is secure. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for the approval process to complete. Once approved, your Tabby card will be issued, and you can view all the necessary details, including your card number, directly within the Tabby app. For convenient in-store and online shopping, easily add your new virtual Tabby card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet. This makes using it simple and secure. The Tabby card offers fantastic benefits, including interest-free payments and flexible installment plans, allowing you to manage your budget effectively. You can use your card for purchases online or in store, anywhere Visa is accepted, giving you broad spending power. Plus, with Tabby Plus, you can earn 5% cashback on selected categories. For more great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other offers. It's a smart way to shop and save.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.